Chat, I need to show y'all something. Here's one of the worst fouled train horns ever. We got Norfolk Southern. Norfolk Southern is one of them. Got 2538s. Whatever train. Oh, 66.99. What's here? No. Ooh, no, not that. I don't like the sound of that. Oh, no. Oh. No. Please, I don't like the sound of this. It's all Norfolk Southern. It's all Norfolk Southern that has all these foul train horns. What is even that? What is that? That's not a railroad crossing. What is that? That's cursed. It's so cursed. Look at that. Oh no, stop. Fix the train horns, will you? Gosh, I don't like it. Oh. Don't like the sound of that K3LA. Someone need to fix these train horns. What? Now it's BNSF. Now BNSF has it. Is that a P2 or a P3? Or is that a P5? I think that's a P5. Oh, now BNSF's got it. Wait, was that a P3 or a P5? Oh no, 8422, your horn. Oh, Oh, it's a Nathan P5, but the horn is. Oh yeah. Oh. Fix the train horns, gosh. Oh no, is that a foul K5 LLA? Please let this not be a fouled race letter. Ew. That horn. Is that a race letter, K5LA, or... Oh, it's a heritage unit. What? Oh, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm uploading it on the other channel, UP4014 Reacts. But that was the worst I ever heard. Subscribe.